tuned into round 4 of the 2018 Tuesday Night World Championships. If you haven't seen the first 3 rounds yet, I recommend checking them out. It's been a pretty crazy season so far. And so now, tonight, we are at Brian's place. Now, he's got a really official private MX track here. I mean, this is the real deal. The unfortunate thing is, we're only going to be using this section here as we do our parade lap. And that is due to the dust. As you can see, it's super dry out, and it's just not going to be safe for everybody to be out there kicking up dust and landing on each other. So we're only doing that little section. Then we come into these woods trails here that are super fast, kind of hilly, off-camber, flowy. It's going to be gnarly. This is going to make for some good racing tonight. All right, so Nick and Casey's mom are the officiators tonight. And so what we're doing here in the first round, first moto, is simply just a timekeeping. 1 minute gap between each person, and it's just to see how long it takes everybody to do a lap. And then based on those times, they're going to calculate some sort of something. We'll find out. We don't know yet. I'm shredding through here, blasting through. This is awesome. Until, holy cripey! What the heck did I just hit? Look at this. Rear end is flying around back there, but we rode out of her. And then for some reason I cut straight across the field. I'm not supposed to do that. You're supposed to follow the track. That was, I don't know what I was doing there. Corners like this one right here, it's a sharp uphill. I kind of blew it out there. They come up, they sneak up on you. And another one is over here. Well, all these corners are a little bit interesting. You gotta really be ready for them. But this one in particular, it's a downhill, off-camber, sharp corner that you have to be checked up to it beforehand. Otherwise, you're not using your brakes as you corner that. You're going to wash right out or blow that thing out. So it's interesting. This is going to be fun. Then you pop out along cornfield here. Well, there's no corn in it now, but soon to be corn. And then onto the gravel driveway and back through to the track, and that is a lap. So now we get paired up into teams. Tom is my partner. He's over there on the Honda. So this is like a tandem race?
Well, it will be in a minute.
Are we riding double? No, I'm just kidding.
We should all ride double on the same bike and then switch bikes.
Well, I'm not riding on the back of that.
Yeah. Well, you don't like this? It's really comfortable.
There'll be extra points.
So Brian here in front of me has got a studded tire on.
Yeah, you know what we should do is line everybody up lying down, and the losers have to go the furthest out, and you do a jump.
Oh my God.
Screw loops, Jeremy, Tiger, short sleeves, no sleeves, black and white, Zach, red helmet.
We're stunned.
Okay, so those are the teams. Nick has given us all nicknames. Nick the nicknamer. And so that makes it kind of confusing of who's who and what. You know what? Let's just start. Here we go. So my partner, Red Helmet, or Tom, is going first in this group. And then what happens is when they come back through, they got to tag me. They got to high five. You got to high five your partner to get them moving. So here comes Adam, the leader. He's got to tag Scott, or short sleeve, and he's off. Now John's coming through tagging Brian. There's Casey tagging Jeremy. Now Tom's coming, and I am off.
I'm going.
Why did I park the bike so far away? All right, here we go. We gotta go. I gotta go. Oh yeah, track's starting to burn and it's getting nice out here. Oh, and there's everybody right here. I don't want to get too close to Brian. He's got studs on that baby. This leaves Jeremy in front of me. He's a tough cookie to get around. He will block you. He will do whatever he can. Stick his legs out, throw rocks at you, whatever it is, he'll block you. Corner, I'm seeing it, inside, denied. Oh, Jeremy, putting up a good block. That was a good move. So I come back, and I'm back with a vengeance. Maybe not, it's tight in this section, tough to make any moves in here. Station. There's Tom over there.
Woo, go.
All right, Tom's off. Woo. What a race right there.
Jeremy took me out.
Did he really?
Yeah.
These team races are great. You get to hang around. All right, but they're coming out. Here comes John.
Who's up?
Sending off Brian.
Who's up?
Then Casey. Then Adam. And then Tom. Once again, I park half a mile away to run. Why don't I should just stand closer to my bike. Hindsight 2020. Oh man, sending the two-stroke. I don't think I could ever ride a four-stroke. Coming up to Scott. This is his first Tuesday Night World Championship, by the way. He's got to learn that you cannot be just letting people go by. You got to be putting up blocks. Anything goes in these. Go a little too fast. I blow that corner out. I got Brian in my sights. Jeremy. Brian's up front. I got it around Jeremy. Now it's a mad dash to the checkoff point, whatever the high five zone. That sounds cool. And time's off. What a battle there to the end. This is close.
Oh, man. That was sketchy.
That was awesome. I got a massive arm pump, man. It better go away.
John comes through first again, sending off Brian. Then it's Casey sending off Jeremy. And then Tom comes. So Adam is a little bit back there. Oh, whoa, I almost fell down. Again, parking a mile away. I'm catching up to Jeremy. Brian's up leading. At me. Yeah, those things are throwing everything. But right here, I go for the inside line again. On Jeremy, this time it works. Brian lets me go. He's a motocross guy, so the woods, anything in the woods, gets your arms tightened up and the arm pump takes over. Yikes. That's one thing last season, I had those kickoffs on a log like that or anything. The rear end felt a little unstable. I revalved later in the season, that helped it out, but I'm pulling in and Scott is already back. He sent off Adam right there. I sent Tom out, so Scott and Adam got a handicap. You never know what the rule makers are going to do out there. Just when you think you're up front, you're not.
Can I forfeit a lap and keep my partner going?
You think you're getting by me again there, Skippy? You're wrong. I thought when I heard the two-stroke that it was him.
Oh, really? I came sliding right in. I literally slid.
I laughed my balls off when I saw it was you. I was like, that son of a block past me.
Well, that's what you did the same corner there. You cut inside and cut me off there, so I had to get you back.
It was a perfectly good move.
That's Adam. That's you, right?
So Adam comes back first, sending Scott off. They are in the lead. Now it's John sending Brian out.
Oh, this is going to be interesting.
And then here comes Casey putting Jeremy out there, and then Tom comes in. It's pure focus and determination. Tom and I are fighting our hearts out for this race. The bragging rights that are on the line right now are just invaluable. I mean, you can't put a price on it. This race is worth more than anything in the world right now. Well, at least on a Tuesday evening here at Brian's place. But hey, whoa, look at this experimental line. That didn't work out for me. Looking ahead here, it looks like these guys have got some secret line picked out. If I wasn't paying attention, that would have cost me a few seconds. You gotta keep your eyes on a swivel. But it looks like Brian, the arm pump, has gotten him. So it's all balls to the wall here. Jeremy's right here. running out of track. I've got to make a move. The only spot is this corner coming up. I got to figure it out. Jeremy is looking like he's taking the inside. I go out. Cutting in. To the ground I go. Yikes, that was my chain. That didn't sound good. Or I ran over a bird, I don't know which. I tag Tom, he's off.
It's dead even.
10 seconds maybe?
It's not that
Maybe?
even
Okay.
because they were ahead.
Oh.
So we all
Just
have one lap to go.
third, first, second.
I wasn't letting you by. You notice all the tight lines I was taking?
Well, and then you would do like a, when going to the outside, I was like, whoa.
Oh yeah. Brian doesn't masturbate enough. That's what's wrong with his
I'm
forearm.
shot.
Yeah, who's 3?
Dude,
He's
that's mother-
shot.
It's bad. I can't even freaking, I can't even turn.
We're going into the last lap here, and Adam's leading it. He tags his partner Scott. Now Scott's got to do
2 burpees.
2 burpees before he can leave. I don't think this was communicated very well. He was very confused, but that's part of the Tuesday Night World Championships. Casey comes in, then it's John, and then Tom. I haven't learned yet that I should stand closer to my bike. Here's Brian. Going for a while here, I'm not seeing anybody. I don't think I'm gonna be able to catch them. We're getting towards the end of the track here. It's not looking good. I come through 3rd place. Tom and I finish.
I know, yeah, I think we won.
I think so.
Yeah, that was a good race.
You gotta remember, I'm the points keeper for the season, so, you know.
What place is Zach? And that's the only thing I really care about.
Zach? 3rd.
3rd.
Oh, Jeremy, listen to him here. Look at this guy.
Jeremy.
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna help him up.
So, event number 2 for the night is reverse beer limbo. But if you hit with your front tire and you crash, that's fine.
So this last event is reverse limbo,
Nice.
meaning instead of having to go as low as you can go, you gotta go as high as you can go.
So I got it?
So there's a can hanging from a tie-down strap, and the objective is to just touch your front tire to the can. Like that.
Oh, yeah. He's back in.
It's a little bit dangerous because you're wheeling towards a hook that's hanging in the air. It's not exactly advisable.
Did I get it or no? No? No?
You get 2 tries.
Got it!
Oh, okay.
No go. Stays right there.
Man.
Adam's very good at this. I have a different technique, which isn't the best, but it works. There was no rule against that.
You got a seat to win, whatever.
I didn't know anything about that.
Oh, my God. Oh, my gosh.
Can you do it one more time so I can get on video?
Adam just does it again, you know, to get it on video. That is ridiculous. My wheelie control is not there. I gotta work on that. Of course, it's not really a skill I use often. Jeremy got it.
Uh-oh.
Oh. It's okay to laugh because I'm okay. But this was super stupid of me to not have goggles on. And that's like my main rule. Always wear your goggles. I feel like an absolute idiot. I'm okay, I got nailed just above the eye, but I was very, very lucky.
Oh, nice fender. Whoa, whoa.
Oops.
There we go.
Jeremy gets knocked out. It's down to Adam and I. Adam, the wheelie champion. Oh, missed it, but had the height. Here goes the second attempt. That was
so close.
no good, though. It was just there. Oh. I missed it on my first attempt. This is it, the last attempt.
Oh, you got it.
I don't think it's... What? Did it hit it?
Really? I didn't even know I hit it.
What?
Well, I won the reverse limbo. I guess you could say I'm proud. Not really, though, because I felt like I cheated a little bit by walking behind the bike, but there was no rule. It's been a few laps on the moto track, but that is a wrap at the 4th round of the 2018 Tuesday Night World Championships. We'll see you at the very last round, number 5, taking place at Adams.